March 5th, 1941. I used to believe that my inner conflicts were due to a particular cause, but that was much too superficial an explanation. I thought that they simply reflected the clash between my instinct as a threatened Jew and my socialist beliefs. But it goes deeper than that. Socialism allows in hatred against anything that is not socialism. But hatred does not lie in my nature. If I saw that I began to hate people, then I would know that my soul was sick and would look for a cure as quickly as possible.